In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see what servers someone is in on Discord. Before we start, a quick note on what's possible. Discord doesn't let you see every server another person has joined. What you can see are the servers you have in common, known as mutual servers. This protects everyone's privacy while still helping you figure out where you might already share a space. Begin by opening Discord and heading to the Friends section. On desktop, click the Home icon, then look for the Friends tab in the left panel. On mobile, tap the Home icon at the bottom and select Friends from the top. Make sure you're actually friends with the person you're checking. If you haven't added them, they won't appear here. Find your friend in the list and select them. If you have a lot of friends, use the search bar at the top to type their username. Selecting them will open your direct message view or a small profile card, depending on your platform. Either is fine, we just need access to their profile. Open their profile from this view. On desktop, click their username or avatar to bring up the full profile, and if you see a smaller pop-out first, choose the option to view the full profile. On mobile, tap their avatar or name to expand their profile details. You'll know you're in the right place when you see tabs like Mutual Servers and Mutual Friends. Now choose the Mutual Servers tab. This section lists every server you and that person are both members of. If you see server names here, you've found your shared communities. You can click or tap a server to jump straight into it, which is useful if you're trying to continue a conversation in a shared channel or check roles and channels you both can access. If the list is empty, that simply means you don't share any servers yet. It doesn't mean there's a problem with your account, and it doesn't reveal anything about the other person's private server list. If you're trying to confirm whether you share a specific community, join that server yourself and check again. Once you're both members, it will appear under Mutual Servers. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you can't see the profile options, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, since Discord occasionally changes interface layouts. Also, blocking or privacy settings may limit interactions, but they don't grant access to hidden servers. Mutual Servers only shows what you already share. That's all you need to check Mutual Servers on Discord. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to keep exploring your shared communities.